Welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. I'm Ron Weingartz. Today I'm here to talk about the Echo 56-volt battery-powered tool system. So they offer a full range of products from the residential use up through commercial use, similar to their gas units. So what they've kind of looked at, and even their numbering system is based off gas units. So like a DPAS 2100 would compare with their 21 cc's. You know, the 2620 would be comparable to the 2600. So basically, as you move up the line, like the gas units, you get commercial grade performance, better motors for longer life. So you're getting a commercial grade unit. So for standard home use, this is something that'll last you for a long time. But if you look at, it still uses the same speed feed head, which has been very popular, the easiest loading head on the market. Same capacity, so you're not losing anything there. So you get all the same performance that you're going to get with a comparable gas unit, no matter which lineup you go with. And even their power tool system, all the attachments, this boom comes apart, you can slide the shaft out, and they make these about 20 different attachments now. So all those gas attachments will work on this as well. So they offer a full range, all using the 56-volt platform. So one advantage would be if you had use for just the standard blower, for example, but wanted to go into a heavier duty trimmer, but it's all the same battery platform. So you can interchange. A 2100 series is all the same battery, all the same charger. They do offer different charging options from the standard charger that comes with most products, but you can get rapid chargers and even a dual rapid charger, so if you have a need for extra capacity. A wide range of tools, edgers, hedge trimmers, line trimmers, extended reach, even the pole saw. So the pole saw would be same pole saw that's been out for years. So it gives you a wide range of attachments, all with the same performance as the gas. But really what's gaining a lot of hype this spring is this new backpack blower. So what Echo's done is they've really addressed a couple key challenges with backpack blowers in the battery platforms. So there's a lot of great blowers out there, give you, exceptional power, so great performance, but a couple drawbacks has been weight, because this blower, when you develop this kind of air, it takes a lot more power. Blowers just take a lot more battery juice. So a lot of companies will have this big expensive battery. That battery also has weight. So what Echo's done is they use the same batteries. This can actually run off one battery. The blower comes with 2 5-amps, but it does have a port, so you can add 3. So if you don't want to come back, you just add that extra weight to the third battery, and you could put up to an 8-amp battery. Also, if you have a battery from your string trimmer that's only a 2.5 amp, you're not going to get the run time, but you could pop that in, to help finish your job up. If you have other batteries, you can use those as well. But they address a couple of things, is the weight and then also the price. This machine with the 2 5-amp batteries that comes with it is 23.5 pounds, so it's right in line with a comparable performing gas-powered blower. And the price, as you see, it sits with the 2 batteries at $6.99. So very affordable in a battery backpack. So for a homeowner that wants to get away from the smell and noise of the gas, it's a great option. But we've also got a lot of commercial users because it's got excellent performance. So if you have either by regulation you're required to go to battery or noise, this is a great option. Like I say, it's the same battery system. So if you have batteries from other Echo power tools, you can pop those in. So it's very easy to switch back and forth instead of having a dedicated battery platform. So this is kind of the hot new tool from Echo, but it really rounds up their great lineup of 56-volt powered products. Thanks for listening today.
Weingartz, everything from lawn to snow.